Hi there, students. Nihilism, a nihilist, nihilistic. Okay, nihilism is the doctrine that nothing is important. Everything lacks meaning. There is no meaning to life. There are no moral or religious principles that apply to the universe. There is no right and there is no wrong. There is only now. This gives the idea that life is without purpose, that maybe existence is pointless, and it's a rejection of all religions and all morals. It's a rejection of belief. Belief does not exist. There is nothing that you can believe in. And from there, maybe you can only have faith in yourself. You can only do what you do. So, in many ways, nihilism is fatalist. The things that we do are programmed. So, nihilism means you don't believe in anything. I think nihilism is becoming more and more common in our society. There are many nihilistic beliefs that there's no point in studying, that there's no ultimate meaning to life. It's like the question, what is the meaning to life, the universe, and everything? 42. So, nihilism. It's more talking about carpe diem. Do what you want to do now. This is a narcissistic belief that you just are, and there's nothing more than that. Nihilism was also a Russian movement in the 1860s that violently rejected all authority and all religion. Yeah, I'm sure this is related to Bakunin. The phrase nihilism or nihilist comes from a German philosopher, Jacobi, and he coined the phrase nihilissimus. But this comes from Latin, the Latin word nihil, meaning nothing. You can hear it in the word annihilate, yeah, annihilate. But nihilism is the idea that nothing is important. There are no values, no fundamental values that you should have. It's the belief that there is no order to the universe. There are no overriding moral principles. So, in many ways, it's a negative thing. It's a total negation of religion and morals. For example, art, immediately after the Second World War, had a very nihilistic view to it. Okay, so nihilism is saying nothing is important. Yeah, just live as you live. You decide what you want to do, and that's what you do. But you don't need to have any guiding principles or reasons to it. So there you go, nihilism, another ism, quite a complex word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nihilist, nihilistic, nihilism.